You know what's better than binge-watching cat videos at 2 a.m.? Running an online business that lets you binge-watch guilt-free because you're making money while you sleep.
Imagine getting paid to sell quirky cat mugs to people who also binge-watch cat videos at 2 a.m. That's Etsy for you, your golden ticket to financial independence, feline-themed or otherwise.
Starting an online business has become the new American dream, right up there with finding the perfect parking spot at Costco. The idea is simple. You create something cool, list it on platforms like Etsy, Shopify, or Amazon, and suddenly you're one of those smug people saying, "Oh, I just run a little online store at dinner parties."
But like every get-rich story, there's a catch, specifically, the steep learning curve of keywords, inventory management, and the occasional existential crisis over shipping fees.
Take my buddy Carl. He decided to sell handcrafted wallets on Etsy. At first, his only customer was his mom, and she wanted a discount. Undeterred, Carl poured himself into creating the perfect product descriptions. Genuine leather wallet, so sleek, even James Bond would ditch his gadget for this bad boy. Sales trickled in, and Carl began dreaming big. Then reality hit.
One night, he realized he'd underpriced his wallets. By the time he paid Etsy fees, shipping costs, and the occasional refund to Karen in Wisconsin, who complained the wallet didn't smell leathery enough, Carl was technically paying people to take his products.
Carl had a decision to make: shut down his online empire or adapt. He chose the latter. He raised his prices, found a cheaper shipping service, and started promoting his store on Instagram. But learning the ropes wasn't easy. There were nights Carl wanted to chuck all his wallets out the window, followed by moments of triumph when he hit his first $1,000 month. His most humbling moment? Realizing the wallet selling game isn't just about wallets. It's about marketing, customer service, and yes, having a lot of patience with Karens everywhere.
Fast forward a year, and Carl's wallet business isn't just thriving, it's funding his coffee addiction and paying for vacations where he doesn't think about wallets. His secret sauce? Sticking with it, learning from his mistakes, and leveraging platforms like Etsy and Shopify to turn his side hustle into something resembling a real job, only with better hours and fewer awkward office parties.
Want to follow in Carl's footsteps, minus the leather-scented Karens? Here's your playbook. Pick your product. Choose something you're passionate about. Bonus points if it's unique. Choose your platform. Start with Etsy for handmade or artsy goods, Shopify for a branded storefront, or Amazon for mass market appeal. Also with Amazon, you can sell your own products, or you can become an Amazon associate and sell other people's products. Set realistic prices. Factor in materials, shipping, fees, and your time. Trust me, you're worth more than $3 an hour. Learn marketing basics. Get cozy with social media and SEO. You don't need to go viral, but you do need to be findable. Stay patient. The first sale feels amazing. The second might take a month. Keep going.
With a little humor and a lot of hustle, your online store could become the next big thing, at least in Karen's Wisconsin neighborhood. Stay tuned for more creative ways to make, save, and spend your money. Subscribe and like.